Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today's video is going to be very special because we are almost there to hit 1 million subscribers in just a night. Okay, we are still at 262 subscribers, but we are trying our best to increase the subscribers and to bring the best quality of content to you all. And talking about the quality of the content, video and sound both are important. So we wanted to take the sound quality of our videos a notch, a step up. And we thought how to do it. Obviously, we need a better microphone. So we ordered a microphone from Amazon today. And this microphone is really very useful no matter if you are in YouTube or maybe simply doing vlogging, playing games, or creating podcasts, or maybe even if you are a musician or singer. This microphone is very budget friendly, but at the same time a professional grade mic. So let's get into the video and we will show you everything about this mic. We will test the quality of this mic also, and we will see how it is exactly like and whether it is worth the money or not. So stay tuned till the end of the video. And if you find the video useful, please give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, which is very important because we are doing so much just for all of you. So please subscribe to our channel. Now let's get into the video. So guys, this is the microphone coming from Fifine condenser microphone T669. In case you find this good at the end of the video, this is the model. So let's see what's inside. Let's open the box straight without reading much. So you have a user guide here. Do you really need this? I don't think so. We'll maybe refer it later. There's some additional backup accessories. Maybe if you lose something, then it may come in handy. You have a filter here. This looks quite good. The build quality is really nice. It's solid, made of metal, some plastic parts, and this filter, I think it will work nice, but let's come back to it later. You have a cushioning also for the safekeeping of the remaining parts inside the box. And there's a lot of stuff in here, as you can see. So let's see each of these things one by one. So much of this comes at just a price tag of rupees. I'll tell you at the end of the video. So this is probably to hold the mic and to ensure that the vibrations are reduced in case the bass is moving or there are vibrations. This will help. You have again a filter. This helps to reduce the noise, probably from your breathing or some other noises. A cable to connect the microphone. It comes with a Type B cable, which is connected to your computer or any other USB device. Mostly it supports all the computers. Then you have a port which is connected to the microphone. So we'll come back to this cable also. So this is one of the main components here. So this stand, I really don't know because this is my first microphone. I don't know what do we actually call this, but then it actually helps to mount the microphone. And there should be a clip also. Yes, here it is. So this clip actually sits together with this stand, and on one side you mount the microphone, and on the other side it just goes like this. It sits on the table, and then you have this entire stand on top of it. It's adjustable. There are springs, so we'll see how this is set up also. So let's keep this aside for a second. Then we have something over here. It's for keeping your microphone directly on the table. So in case you are not interested in mounting your mic on a larger stand, maybe you don't have a space or you just want some portability, then this can be a good choice. You simply mount the microphone and then go everywhere. And last but the most important one is the microphone. Ooh, the quality is really nice. It feels like metal. It has a matte texture also. The quality is good. I really would not fiddle with the parts, but okay, this twist like in this direction, you have a volume control knob. We will see how this all works in action. I can see something in there. There's some device, so it's a cardioid microphone. We speak right in front of this mic, and it cancels the noise in all the direction. It doesn't take the audio from top. So we will get into all of the details in just a second, but more or less this was everything inside the box. So let's start mounting this microphone on the stand and test it. So friends, finally we have completed the setup. The overall installation was quite simple. All the components were easily connected, and we finally have the complete setup now that you can see here. And now let's move on to the actual testing of this microphone from Fifine and see how it performs versus our existing setup, which records through iPhone 15. Friends, now that we have done the unboxing and also mounted the microphone, I also wanted to show you the quality, or rather, let you decide if the quality of this microphone is really worth the money. Actually, this microphone costs 3,500 rupees. You will find a lot of microphones in this range, but it provides you the complete stand, complete setup, and everything you need to get started. The overall setup was pretty simple. It was just plug and play. So you simply mount the microphone, plug the USB, and you're ready. The drivers are installed automatically. But let's get into the actual stuff now. So the audio that you are listening to right now is coming from our typical setup, which is iPhone 15. And now I will switch to this microphone, and you will see the text just to indicate that I have switched to this microphone. So now the audio is coming from the Fifine mic, and you can see if this is really worth the money here now. And I can personally see, and I observed from my tests also so far, that it produces sound in a quite good quality. It takes the sound or the audio from the front direction because it's a cardioid microphone. It does not pick the audio from any other direction. So it isolates the noise very well, even from the top. And ultimately it captures your audio or voice from this direction only. So for a single person, it is quite good for streaming, for music, for podcasting. It is quite good. Even if you are two people, you want to speak. I tested with Varsha earlier, and both of us were sitting in front of the microphone. You have to adjust the volume levels a little bit, and it takes in the audio quite nicely for even both of us. So the next videos will be brought to you with this microphone, and I hope you like the quality. Stay tuned with us because the coming videos will be so much more exciting. If this video helped you to decide which microphone you should purchase in case you are planning to buy one, then please give it a like, and please drop a comment on what you think about it. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because we are doing so much and we will continue to do so. Thank you very much for watching the video and giving your time. I hope you liked it, and please stay tuned to our channel. Thank you very much again. See you in the next video. Bye bye.